right, welcome to Pringle Creek Community. This is Laura Gwyn of Gail Gwyn Properties in Salem, Oregon. And this is a little development that not very many people know about. It got off the ground in about 2008 when we had the recession. They put in smaller lots. This is a neighborhood inspired by nature, community, and innovation, essentially. The most sustainable features in the Pacific Northwest have been utilized here. Their community center up here on the right that I'll be showing you, the Painters Hall, is Oregon's first net zero community building. It serves as a community building. You can rent it out for events, office, art gallery. It was originally built in the 30s. They salvaged and recycled it with materials that were used for many different ways. So, see, it'd be nice if you could like pan around and show the greenhouses and their produce stands. They sell ready-to-build lots to builders and home buyers. They have builders approved for this level of quality and sustainable building practices, but they also have tools available if a buyer, say, had their own buyer and was set on using their own builder. The lots here, which you're going to be seeing, are only 2,000 to 5,000 square feet. They were selling as low as about $65,000 each. New homes to be built with lots, they range from about $270,000 to $335,000, and they range in about 1,000 square feet to $2,889. That puts them at about $194 to $265 a square foot. So I'm going to try to circle up here so that you can see this home. And then I'll go around the loop. And I have all of the sold prices. There was a gal here that she had bought a home originally and sold it. She bought it for like $225,000 in say 2015, and then turned around and sold it for $265,000 in 2018. So they do have a demand, but the entire subdivision just hasn't been built out the way that we had predicted or hoped, really. If you have any interest at all in sustainable living and a nice community to either retire in, empty nest in, or have a family, I think this is a good one. We're driving over Mill Creek right now, which is pretty low. It's a pretty small creek, but Mill Creek runs all around in the downtown area of Salem. And this is a cul-de-sac. We do have some houses for sale, and I'm happy to provide that information to you. Again, don't call the number on the sign. Call Laura Gwyn of Gail Gwyn Properties, Salem, Oregon, 503-585-0802. And you can Google my name for all of our online resources.